Hi guys, so today I'm really looking forward to reviewing the Crafter's Companion rotating stamps. These look really fun. Thank you so much Crafter's Companion for sending these for my review. They did send them for free for my review. All opinions are my own, as I always say. And I had seen these demoed and I didn't realize there were so many. So these are really cute. Let's go through them real quick and then we'll talk about the idea behind these. So we have dots and spots. So as you can see, it's dots and spots. We have Cocktail Dreams, which is really cute with all the little drinks. This one I'm curious. Spring has sprung because, you know, I love this kind of thing and it's like a little doodle flower and butterfly kind of background. This one's a little more elegant and it's called Natural Beauty. It's more of leaves. There's like some flowers on there, but it's, the colors they use especially look a little more elegant. Oh, this is so pretty. Flutterby Wishes. Okay, I have to do this one. With the butterflies and the vines and the flowers. Super cute. And we'll talk about this in just a minute because I know you're curious. And Party Time. And Party Time has the little party hats and cakes and candles and stuff like that. So basically this is one stamp. Let me open this up. And you're going to use 4 different colors, and as you change out the colors, you're going to rotate it, and it really doesn't matter what order you go in, unless you don't want to clean the thing in between, right? Like Sarah does sometimes. She'll just color something and go to the next darker color, the next darker color. So we might do that, start with light to dark, just so that I don't have to clean the stamp off every time. But so I like these to open up, pop open. Oh well, didn't pop open for me this time. Sometimes it'll just pop open. Sometimes you gotta do a little tearing. But it's one stamp and it is, I believe, yeah, it was almost 6 inches, so it's 5.5 inch square. And depending on the colors you use, you're going to get your little background. So this is going to be fun, I think. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and choose some colors. I don't know that I'm going to choose their colorway just so you see something different, because theirs is gorgeous. I love this. It's very rich, the colors they used here. So let me pick out 4 different colors. And as you look at it, you can say, you know, you want something for like leaves, you want something for it, but it doesn't matter because everything's going to have the same colors after a while, right? So the leaves are going to be red at some point or whatever color you choose. They're going to be pink at some point. So just choose the colors that you want for your design and then we'll go from there. Okay, I do want to mention that the stamps are photopolymer, so of course they're that awesome type of stamp and have that great smell. I'm going to pull this off over here so I can hear it's going to be a little bit louder. I don't want that in your ear. And then this, always carrier sheets on large stamps like this are like really stuck on. So you really want to work with it. I don't try to pull the stamp as much. Not too harshly, should I say. Obviously you got to pull it. But this one, since it's a nice square, it's not too much in danger of hurting it. So I have my Crafter's Companion stamping tool here, stamping platform. And interestingly enough, they just came out with a magnetic base for this thing, and I picked the one up yesterday with the 20% off of Craft 20. It's still going on today. If you want to use that code, it's 20% off the site, I believe, off an order of $20 or more. So a lot of people, I already heard back from you guys, used it to get the whole Love collection, the Garden of Love collection. So that's a good use of that. So I put it on here. It doesn't really matter what way we're doing this, but so we don't forget which way we're turning it. I'm going to have the Crafter's Companion down on the bottom right, and then we're going to keep rotating with it. But there's also a little square notch, and the other notches are rounded that you can use as a registration mark or line it up or however you want. So what I'm going to do with my paper, and you don't have to do this, I just want to stick it down, that way it doesn't move. And this is just Crafter's Companion stamping card, but it's a 6-inch square, hopefully. Let me go right up here so you guys can see it better. And let me move this so it's not too far off there. Okay, so let's take, I'm using quick dry inks, but you can use whatever ink you like. We're going to ink up the whole thing. And hopefully I don't forget. But basically they're going to tuck inside each other all these different little images. So again, I'm going to start with the bottom right. And like I said, I cut my paper 6 inches square, and this is a 5.5 inch stamp. And I'm going to smooth that out, try to make sure to get all the areas. But if you lined it up right, or if you have that stamping platform we just talked about, the magnetic base, you can just line it right back up and stamp it again. But let's see here. Oh, so cute. Okay, so from yellow, let's go to our green. And I chose the mid colors of all these things, of these color ranges. This might be the lighter color in the greens though, the Spring Meadow. Okay, so we have it there. We're going to rotate it 90 degrees. And again, just line it up and press down. Now I'm using my paper and my grids to help me line this up, okay? Oh, so pretty. Hopefully you can kind of see what's going on there. Now we're going to go to the pink, I suppose. This is fuchsia. Which fuchsia to me is super bright, but it is the mid color. You know, funny enough, I was like, what? Because there's a brighter color and a lighter color. I'm just using that one very gently. Hold on, I can see I didn't get that butterfly. And remember we had started bottom left, then we made our 90-degree turn, and now another 90-degree turn. And push that down. This is really fun, actually, you guys, because it's working up very quickly. Oh my gosh, so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. And then the last one would be the crushed velvet. I believe Damson Wine is the darker one from crushed velvet, so I'm just kind of gingerly patting it because I don't want to get a lot of the pink in this pad, but just making sure you hit all the image on here. And down here we rotated once, we rotated twice, rotated 3 times. Okay, obviously you don't have to do that, I'm just making it very clear. And oops, hold on. Hopefully that's the spot. We will see. Alright. Even if it's a little bit off, to be honest, how will anybody know? Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And look how rich and full of just that background that is. And we didn't do much, right? That is very pretty. Now, if you put more thought into it, like if I'm looking at it right now and I would say, well, maybe I wanted the pink one here and the purple one opposite here and the green here and the blue, the, you know, yellow. You can just think about that, right? Instead of having the 2 lighter colors and 2 darker colors. So I would put more thought into it. I'd say, okay, I'm going to go from the light color, then to a mid color. That'd be this next one. Then go back to the light color, which would be the green, and then go back to the purple. Does that make sense? If you want certain colors touching each other or near each other. But other than that, I mean, this is gorgeous. So pretty. And then you can use this as your background. This is a 6x6, you know, base. So I would use it as a 6x6 card base, or you can cut it down, obviously, to work for, you know, a standard A2 size card, because this background is 5.5 inches, so you have plenty to be 5.5 inches tall, and you would just cut it, you know, 4.25 or 5.25 by 4, so you can mat it up however you want to use it. But these are very easy to work with, so I love it. Thank you so much, Crafter's Companion, for sending these for my review. Very quick review, because it's a very easy item to use, and so many cute designs. And then you can come in and get, you know, your ink, and maybe ink around the corners if you're going to use it as a large one. This has some fuchsia on it already, so I'll just use that. I'll continue doing that, and I'll have some pictures for you guys. Links will be in the description box. I believe, obviously these are available at crafterscompanion.com currently, and I will see you guys at the next one. Thank you. Bye now.